Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name is Tina. In today's video, I'll show you 4 amazing ideas to enjoy Chinese New Year from waste materials. DIY Chinese New Year recycling activities for kids. Best out of waste. Make sure to watch until the end of the video for a very special message. You'll need popsicle sticks, gold paint, paintbrush, 2 different shades of pink tissue papers, golden ribbon, scissor, twigs, table scatters, hot glue, and glue stick. First, protect your table with paper. Paint your popsicle sticks with gold paint. You can easily spray paint them as well. Second, let dry. Create a frame and arrange them to your liking. Try to have them equally distanced from the edge for a uniform look. Third, hot glue and press down the sticks together. Here's how your frame will look like. Then we'll use nature's resource from the ground. Take a twig, remove the leaves, and trim it to fit within the frame. Next, use a paper to create a backing for your frame. Before you hot glue the paper onto the frame, make a hanging loop. Remove the hot glue webs. What do you call them? This is how your hanging frame looks like. Now we'll go ahead and decorate it with the twig and cherry blossom flowers. Reuse 2 different shades of pink gift tissue papers and make cherry blossom flowers out of it. Cherry blossoms represent longevity, spring, and renewal of life. It highlights a new beginning and it looks beautiful. So our frame will have a cherry blossom tree with cherry blossom flowers for a new beginning. Simply cut your tissues into small squares, layer it, pinch it in the middle and fold it. Glue stick the corners and hot glue it onto the twig. Arrange the paper to your liking. Continue to add more flowers as you want. All flowers are unique in shape, so it doesn't have to be uniform looking. It's coming along and looks amazing already. Next, go ahead and make another frame for your hanging wall art. Do the same process. Hot glue 2 table scatters on the left-hand corner. Voila! Here is your DIY cherry blossom wall art made out of gift tissue papers and popsicle sticks. To make a rattle drum or a pellet drum, you'll need 2 paper plates, red paint, 2 small bells, red metallic strings, paper straw, or wooden dowel. First, paint your plates red or use red paper plates. I just wanted to share with you that behind the scenes, I have my 1-year-old daughter right beside me carefully painting her plate red as well. Chinese New Year meant seeing lots of vibrant red and gold color everywhere I went. Here I'm making polka dots with Q-tips. I really like how this turned out. Using a hole puncher, make 2 holes opposite to each other to hang the bells. Make sure that the top and bottom holes align. Growing up from a distance, I could always hear the exciting beats of the lion dance drums. So this year, with things being very different, we bring the beat of the drums into our home with this quick and easy DIYs. Next, press down the paper straw so there's no gaps in between the plates. Tape the straw to the plate and hot glue it together. Finally, insert the bell into the metallic string and through the holes. Cut off any excess. Paint in between the gaps. Voila, your DIY rattle drum or pellet drum. Your kids will absolutely have a great time with it. Next is the simplest and quickest way to make a drum. Reuse an empty container and a balloon. Here I'm using a planter's container, remove the label and paint it gold. Gold symbolizes wealth and drumming signals celebration and excitement. Take a 12-inch balloon, cut off the neck and pull it over the opening. Use a pair of chopsticks as the drumsticks. Voila! Your Chinese balloon drum. Among all the CNY activities, my children enjoyed this particular balloon drum the most. You should definitely make one for your child. Lastly, surprise your little ones with small treats with this cute treat box made out of toilet paper roll, Mod Podge, table scatter as a gift tag, ribbon, and individual packed treats. Cut a square piece of red napkins, apply Mod Podge all over the toilet paper roll, and lay the napkin over it. I've done another video on different styles of gift boxes you could make with toilet paper roll. It's really cute, so make sure to check it out in the link description below. Seal the ends and cut off any excess. Next, insert the top and bottom excess into the tube. To make the gift tag, simply take a table scatter, punch holes at the top and bottom, insert a ribbon through it, and there you have it. You can customize your gift tags easily. Now go ahead and close the openings by pushing the corners one at a time. To keep it looking neat, let your tissue dry first, and whichever side you push in first, you push it on the other side as well. Insert individually wrapped treats. Here I'm inserting 8 chocolate treats, as 8 symbolizes good luck for the year. Close the other end. Wrap the ribbon around it. Make dovetails. Voila! Your cute little nifty gift boxes made out of toilet paper rolls.
Thank you so much for watching DIY with Tina. If you found value in this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Be sure to watch more quick and easy DIYs. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye!